Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beef sausage. This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. Are you one of those that are worried about what you put inside your body? My dear, worry no more. I brought you this recipe and this can help you to make them on your own. All you need is your beef. Here you can see how juicy and stretchy it is. Here I already minced my beef. I use the beef that has more fat, you can see, because fat is good for sausage. It makes it more juicy. So already minced it. So this is my potato starch and water. I'll be mixing my potato starch to make sure it dissolves. So I'll be listing the ingredient that I use on my description. Please feel free to check it out later. Here is my mixed spices, so you can mix your own spice according to your taste. So these are a mixture of chicken powder, salt, garlic, ginger, whatever you want, and black pepper. So feel free to mix your own. And here I'm adding my potato starch. So all you need to do is to mash it. Keep mashing it until you feel okay with the outcome. Then you can start piping. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. You can see the outcome of this, the puree. It looks good. So now I'll be piping it with my piping tool. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I do appreciate that. Here I'm piping the sausage into my casing. I'm using plastic transparent casing for this. So you can use any casing of your choice. So be careful when piping. You can see, avoid it overflowing. Okay, make sure you don't fill it up too much. So I have to tie the edges. You can see it's so easy. You can make yours. This is very easy. So if you can make it, why do you need to buy? Here I'll be twisting it according to the size that I want. So you can twist it according to what you want. If you want it long, fine. If you want it short, this is the time to do it. And tie it with the yarn. You can see. So I did the rest of the camera. And now I'm poking out because you can see there's some bubble air inside. So I have to poke them out so that the air will be released. So this is optional. It's up to you. If you want, if you don't want, it's still okay. So use the cold water and put all inside before you start cooking it. So I'll cook it until it starts boiling. You can see it's about to boil. Oh, wow, it's boiled already and now it's ready. You can see all I need to do is to put it on cold water and to stop the cooking process. Came out so well. Hope you get to try this. Please remember, if you see my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. Like my video, comment, and please share. You can see it came out so well. Hope you get to try this. Thank you for watching and follow me for more videos. Bye. Thank you.